Hey, what is up guys, Kamyab Teaser here. In this video I want to review Fujifilm XT30. It's Fuji XT3's little brother or little sister. It has a lot of great specs in its price range and it's a small body. The body itself weighs under 400 grams and it has an APS-C sensor that can shoot 4K 30p and 1080 up to 120 frames per second with a bit rate of 200 megabits per second, which holds a lot of data for a camera under $1,000. If you want to shoot to an external source, this kit can shoot 4:2 to 10-bit, which is incredible on itself. The image quality is amazing, the colors are amazing, but not as amazing as Nikon's. This camera has a lot of in-body features to mess with, but the menu is a little hard to navigate, especially for those who use other brands. For example, myself, I use Nikon, so the Nikon's menus are way more easier and organized to work with. It also shoots f-log, which is Fujifilm's flat profile, but it's not that good. I prefer to use eternal profile in this. Alright, let's dive in the focusing system. This camera has an amazing autofocus that is capable of finding its subject in the low light situations. It is better than most Nikon's, but not as good as Canon's dual pixel autofocus. Speaking of low light situations, this camera can shoot up to 51,200 ISO, which is very nice. This is an all-rounder camera, but it has some downsides. The first one is that it doesn't have a flip-out LCD screen. It has a 3-inch tiltable screen, which makes it a non-vlogging camera. The second one is that it has a 2.5mm headphone jack, which forces you to use a 3.5mm converter to use your microphone on this camera. The third downer to this camera is it doesn't come with a battery charger, so you have to charge your battery inside the camera, which is a nice feature to have, but I think it should have a battery charger too. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something out of it. This is an all-rounder camera, I say it again. It is perfect for music videos, it is perfect for travel videos. It is perfect if you want to travel and don't want to bring all the heavy gears with you. This kit right here can solve all your problems because it is small. You can just shove it in your hoodie's pocket and you're good to go, like this. Do I want to use this camera? Yes, 100%. But do I want to make vlogs with this? No, because it doesn't have a flip-out LCD screen and the 2.5mm headphone jack problem. Well, it's not a problem, but for me that I want to connect the microphone on this and plug the cable in it, yes, that's the problem, because it will be a longer cable. That is the problem for me. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell too to get notified about the upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Peace.